Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a Realme 9 Pro Plus. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X Icon Changer application. Now tap install here, so wait a second for downloading and installing. And now tap open. Now from the list of our application, choose something for what you wanna customize. Maybe, I don't know, maybe YouTube will be nice. So now from the our free library icon, choose some new styles. Maybe this one will be okay. And now for saving this icon, tap OK button in the top right corner and wait a second for generating, then need close ads maybe a few times because it's free application. Close ads and one more time. And one more time. Okay, now tap add to home screen. We got success message, go to our home screen, and here we got our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.